Hello everyone, welcome to RKS Bollywood YouTube channel. So the today topic will be Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice is a unique novel nicely written by Jane Austen, who is known as the great women's novelist of English literature. Her novels include such as Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Emma, Persuasion. Among these, Pride and Prejudice is the most famous. Okay, so this is a romantic fiction which was published in the year 1830. इसको याद रखना 1830 में इसको पब्लिश किया गया था. किसको? प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस को. And it is an example of novel of manner which offer a glimpse into the social structure of early 19th century in England. Okay, so the novel contain a galaxy of male and female character, but the whole theme is based on the two major character. Okay, so the two major character is the Darcy and Elizabeth. Okay, Jane Austen introduced Darcy is filled with prejudice, and Jane Austen means to say pride is for Darcy and prejudice is for Elizabeth. Okay, pride is for Darcy and prejudice is for Elizabeth. Okay, so here Mr. and Mrs. So this is the summary. Okay, the analysis. So Mr. and Mrs. Bennet who live in the country village Longbourn. इसको याद रखना, कंट्री विलेज लॉन्गबोर्न ये आएगा. लॉन्गबोर्न कहाँ पे, मतलब प्लेस जो होता है ना, ये आएगा सीपेट में. सो अलॉन्ग विद देयर 5 डॉटर नेम जेन, एलिजाबेथ, किट्टी, लीडिया, मोरी. So Mr. Bennet always thought about the marriage of her daughter. Mrs. Bennet hopes Mr. Bingley, a wealthy young man, a young bachelor who had just moved to a large nearby estate called Netherfield, will marry one of her 5 daughters. The Bennet family meets Bingley in a party, and the Mrs. Bingley started talking interest in the Jane and the elder daughter of Mr. Bennet family. So while Darcy, the friend of Mrs. Bingley, meets Elizabeth. Okay, so in the first meeting between Darcy and Elizabeth, both had different opinion from each other. Mr. Bingley's sister Caroline and Louisa later invite Jane to the Netherfield for dinner, though Bingley's sister are rude. Okay, so Bingley जो sister थे वो rude थे, you know. And यहाँ पे देखे कि मतलब जो डार्सी और एलिजाबेथ थे वो उनका जो ओपिनियन था थोड़ा डिफरेंट था. ज़्यादा मतलब नहीं, ज़्यादा मतलब उन दोनों का क्या बोलेंगे हम, उन दोनों का मतलब रिलेशनशिप थोड़ा मतलब डिफरेंट था. ओके, सो वंस एलिजाबेथ हैड अ फैमिली मेट जॉर्ज विकम, ए आर्मी ऑफिसर. ही sting Elizabeth against Darcy. On the other hand, Bingley suddenly depart from London. Caroline informed Jane by letter that not only will they not be returning but moreover. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ ना, her brother is planning to wed Georgiana for Darcy's sister, and Jane is rushed, and Elizabeth is sure Darcy and Caroline are deliberately separating Bingley and Jane. Okay, तो यहाँ पे फैमिली ड्रामा चलता है. ओके, सो आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम मतलब जो लव स्टोरी है यहाँ पे 3 लव स्टोरी चल रहा है. पहला तो है हमारा डार्सी एलिजाबेथ का, और दूसरा है जेन और बिंगली का, और तीसरा है विकम एंड लीडिया जो स्मॉल सिस्टर है. ओके, जो स्मॉल डॉटर है बेनेट का. सो आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम एगो एलिजाबेथ विजिट की चार्लट एंड मिस्टर कॉलोनी where she encountered Colin's partner and Darcy relative Lady Catherine Darcy arrived and surprised Elizabeth. She grew angry, however, when he learned that Darcy advised Bingley against marrying Jane, and Darcy proposes his proposal, accusing him for the running Jane marriage. In a letter, Darcy explained that he intervened because he felt Jane did not truly love Bingley. Wickham is liar and scoundrel. Elizabeth begins to feel she has misjudged Darcy. Returning home, Elizabeth finds that Lydia and Wickham got married. Here देखो, जो इसका जो एल्डर सिस्टर था लीडिया और विकम एक आर्मी ऑफिसर था, इन दोनों का शादी हो गया. Once again Elizabeth meet Darcy. Both of them fall in love each other. Once again Bingley proposed to Jane. सो फर्स्ट टाइम वो जो बिंगली जो प्रपोज किया था जेन को, वो रिजेक्ट कर दिया था, फिर बाद में वो एक्सेप्ट किया. ओके, सी एक्सेप्ट दिस प्रपोजल एंड जेन एंड बिंगली एज वेल एज एलिजाबेथ एंड डार्सी गॉट मैरिड. Okay, so here the main plot is Jane and Bingley. Second, we have Elizabeth Darcy. Third, we have Lydia and Wickham. Okay, so this was the most happiest moment for the Mrs. and Mrs. Bennet. So they are happily married and live ever after. And then so now it is clear through this novel. It is a love story of Elizabeth and Darcy, as well as the Jane and Bingley and Lydia and Wickham. So this novel show how 19th century women imagine their marriage and the marriage of their daughters. Pride and Prejudice is often talked to be a Victorian novel because it is very realistic in its depiction of the early 19th century English society. So in fact, Pride and Prejudice is the best work of Jane Austen. Okay, thanks for watching. So today next topic will be we have okay, the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock. Okay, that will be on 26th of May. Thanks for watching.